Morning everybody, it's Thursday morning and it's time for your phonics today. Make sure that you've got something to write with and something to write on because you will be needing all of those things today. I'm just going to check through my sounds to make sure I've got all the sounds that I need and that I haven't put in sounds that we don't know yet. So I'll just get rid of those. Okay, are we ready? Our sound today is Z. Z, 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 z. Fabulous. Okay, let's have a look at some pictures that start with the sound Z. Zebra. Excellent. Zip. Zoo. They all start with the sound Z. Let's go through them again. A zoo. Zoo is where you can go and visit animals that you might never see. Zoo. Zip. And zebra. Z. Almost makes your tongue tickle, that sound. Let's draw it. Can you see? Zip. Zip. Get your crocodile snaps. Let's air write it. Zip. Excellent. And again. Zip. Let's take my picture away and see what the sound looks like that we read and that we write. Can you see? Z. Excellent. Z. Make sure you do your magic air writing. Get your pencil ready. Z. Zip, zip, z, z, zip, z, zip, z. Are you ready? Let's play our game. Excellent. Oh. Keep spotting. Fantastic. Fabulous. Good spotting. Zip. Z. Excellent spotting. Let's pop Z in with the sounds that we already know. When you see it, I want you to give it a thumbs up. Are we ready? Start with yesterday's sound. Excellent. Let's hide it again. Make sure you say the sound, don't just give it a thumbs up. Excellent. Z. Let's hide it again. I'm just going to move these out of the way so that I can... There it is, brilliant. And one last time. Let's go. Doing a brilliant job. So we're looking for Z. Where is it? Z. Excellent, well done. Good spotting in your pile there. Fred is here and he is going to give us the sounds and you're going to see if you can hear the word. Z-app, 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 zap, zap. Excellent. Z-ag, 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 zag. Fabulous. Z-ig, 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 zig, zig, zigzag. Fantastic. This is my son's name. See if you can hear it. Z-ack, 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 zack. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, get your paper and everything that you want to write with, because we're going to practice our handwriting now. Okay, just dry my board so that my pen will write on it. So we're going to do Z, and we simply go zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Let's air write it. Zig, zag, zig. Make sure you've got your crocodile snaps resting on the chin. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Off you go. Can you do it on your paper? Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Excellent. Fabulous. Have a look at mine. Make sure yours looks like mine. Does it? Brilliant. Okay, let's do yesterday's sound. W. W. Off you go. See if you can do W. What do you think W looks like? What does W? Worm. Can you remember? Worm. Worm. Have a look at mine. Pause the video if you need to. Crocodile snaps resting on my chin, on the chin of the crocodile. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Okay. W. Make sure your W looks like mine. W. If you need to pause the video, you can do that. Can you now do K, kangaroo? What does K, kangaroo look like? K, kangaroo. Can you remember? K, kangaroo. Oh, remember his tummy. Watching mine. Down the kangaroo's back to his tail, round his tummy, and out to his leg. Can you see? K. Got to remember that K. Mine's not very straight there. Let me try and do it a bit straighter for you. K. Okay. Well done. It's a hard one to write, is that one, isn't it? K. Make sure yours look like mine. And then we're going to move on to our spelling. So if you need to rewind to do it again, or you need to go back a bit, that's fine. Okay, let's start with one of our red words. Can you write me the? The. What does the look like? What does the look like? There's 3 letters in the. Remember, You can't Fred taught them, and you can't pinch the sounds. What does the look like? Excellent. 3 letters. The. Make sure yours looks like mine. Let's try 2. 2. Don't write the number 2, write the word 2. 2. 2. 2 letters, can you remember? Excellent. Looks like this. Pause the video if you need to change it. Okay, let's have a go at spelling. If you need longer, just pause the video. 3 sounds, and we're going to write the word zig. Zig. Let's pinch the sounds for zig. Z, I, g. Again. Z, I, g. Can you write those down for me? Z, I, g. Z, I, g. Zig. Z, I, g. Z, I, g. Excellent. Have a look at mine. If you need longer, pause the video. Shout the sounds out for zig. Z, I, g. Z, I, g. Zig. Make sure you've got your z right, your I, and your g. Correct it if you haven't. Okay, again, pause the video if you need to. 3 sounds again. Let's do zap. Zap. Pinch the sounds. Z, a, p. Again. Z, a, p. Zap. Can you write that down for me? Zap. Zap. Okay, keep saying the sounds. Z, a, p. Z, a, p. Fantastic. Pause the video if you need longer. Are we ready? Shout the sounds out for zap. Z, a, p. Z, a, p. I'm making sure my p comes all the way down. Z, a, p. Zap. Give yourself a tick if you've got z, if you've got a, and you've got p. Zap. Excellent. Okay, let's move on now to, if you need longer, pause the video. Let's move on now to our reading. We'll start off by reading our tricky words. Okay, are you ready? We've got the word 2. That's right, 2. We haven't learned that one. What's this one? Go, I. That's right, I. The. Make sure you know those ones. Let's go through them again. 2. I. The. I. 2. Excellent. Okay. Fred is going to give us the sounds, and it's your job to put those sounds into a word by blending it. Are we ready? P, it, P, it. Oh, what's that? What could that word be? P, it. Reading finger. What word did you get? Let's try that again. Let's do it together. It. Pit. Pit. A really big hole is a pit. It. Pit. A hole in the ground. Pit. What happens if I put this word at the beginning? You read it. What have you read? Read it again. What did you read? Let's do it together. It. Hit. Again. It. Hit. Hit. We don't ever do that, do we? But well done. Let's try some more sounds, Fred. Okay. Z. E. G. Z. E. G. You read it for me. Excellent. Again. What word did you read? Let's do it together. Zig. 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 And if I put this word in, this sound, in, what do you read now? Zig. Zag. 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 Zig. Zig. Zag. Fantastic. What about, we'll do one last one before we finish. Z, E, P. Are you ready? Are you reading finger? What was it? Let's try it together. Z, E, P. Zip. Z, E, P. Zip. Zip. When you zip your coat up. Z. Let's do it together. Zap. Zap. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. Super writing and super reading today. Make sure that you are always putting your pictures of you watching this video or a video of you doing this onto Dojo. We've still not got everybody on there. We've got most children on there, but still not everybody. So make sure you tell your grown-up that they need to take a picture of you watching me or doing the work that we're doing. All right, everybody. Well done, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.